Welcome to Faris Academy's Python programming series. In this journey, you'll go from absolute beginner to confident Python programmer. Each episode focuses on one essential topic, packed with real examples and practical insights. Whether you're learning for school, career, or just curiosity, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Object-Oriented Programming section. OOP helps organize your code by grouping related data and behavior into objects, making your programs more modular and easier to understand. Classes and objects. A class is like a blueprint for creating objects. An object is an instance of a class that contains its own data and functions. For example, a dog class can have a bark method, and each dog object can bark differently. The init method. The init method is a special function used to initialize object attributes when a new object is created. It automatically runs when you create an object and sets up its data. Instance variables and methods. Instance variables are unique to each object. Instance methods use the self keyword to access data inside the object. This makes each object behave according to its own state. Inheritance. Inheritance allows one class to use the properties and methods of another class. This avoids repeating code and lets you create specialized versions of base classes. Encapsulation and abstraction. Encapsulation hides the internal details of how an object works. Abstraction shows only the necessary features. These two principles help protect and simplify your code. Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Faris Academy and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next episodes. And don't forget to leave a comment below. We love hearing from you.